All right, Sandra, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, Mr. Asa. How are you?
Good. My camera is crooked. So I just wanted to come on and talk about the end of the year rush that we can have with Silver Crown Credit Repair. Can you explain that a little bit?
Oh, what is the silver? What is the end of the year with most people? Excuse me. Most people in companies and the bureaus are no different. Most of them are taking all of their holiday time, taking their PTO and everything. And usually, most people that have been with companies a lot longer usually take more time at the end of the year. They'll take around Thanksgiving, they'll take the end of the year holidays, Christmas, and New Year's off. And so,
Okay.
if they're off of that time, that means that the credit bureaus no longer have those experts sitting at the desk, which will be answering your letters. So, we've got the newbies that are sitting there that really are not experienced, are not really interested. They're just there just to get a paycheck. So
Okay.
when you're sending your letters to them, the experts that would be reviewing your letters and really critiquing it and really have bought into the system of keeping derogatory items on your credit report, those are still there. And they're really ready just to say no and they're not making any changes. Whereas the newbies that are there are just there and they don't have the expertise to challenge or anything like that. So they usually don't pay attention to the timelines that are required by law. And so time goes on, they don't answer your letters, and then you can get those negative items off faster.
So you were losing me a little bit because I'm a Marine. Okay. So you have to
Um,
break it down. So what does it mean? Bottom line, this time of
bottom
year means
line,
what for credit
bottom
repair?
line, number one, most people are on vacation. You know that, right? They
Bottom
take
line.
vacation. Bottom line, most people on vacation that have been with companies for a long period of time that will not have the expertise. So the more senior people are no longer there during that time.
Let me say this.
Two, when you say your letters,
I got to cut you off. I need to get to the meat. Folks, this is the time of year that your disputes will get pushed through and they will be removed. They'll be what, Sandra?
the negative items will be removed
Will be removed from your credit report. So why is now the time to get credit repair started?
because nobody's there to answer the letters.
Thank you. Everybody's asleep at the wheel. So
Mhm.
all your closed accounts that are reporting negatively on your credit report will be what?
Removed.
And
So what does that mean?
yes.
To get started today.
So we wanted to create this message because we had some of you that had said, well, I'm going to wait till the first of the year because it's the holidays and Christmas and I have to have my money, this, that, and other. Stop it. We don't have time. You don't have time. Your credit is jacked up for a reason. And that reason is you. So we want you to understand that the time is now. The time is when?
Now,
The time is now for you to sign up for Silver Crown Credit Repair. Allow us to get your dispute letters mailed in. This is the time. You guys don't want to go to work. Nobody wants to go to work. People are off. They're using their time off because at the end of the year, some companies don't allow what to roll over,
right.
right? So you use it or you lose it. So these senior people, these more advanced people who are scrutinizing the paperwork are not there.
Right.
So I just had to. I just wanted to get you on, Sandra, so that you could give the politically proper way.
Okay. So again, we've been around for a number of years. We know the process. We've gone through this, and we are just urging you to get started today, not yesterday. Um, it is urgent for you to get started on repairing your credit now before the first of the year.
All right, so that's all we want to say. The link will be in the email or the text message that you received. If you have any questions, what's the number they want to call us?
312-883-9114.
And let's get started, because your success is our success. If you take a look at it, Silver Crown Credit Repair has a lot of 5-star reviews and a lot of positive feedback, because we educate you. Our job is to educate you, the consumer, so that you truly understand what the process is.
Definitely. So we're happy to help. Get started today.